construction going on right beside my house. So I'll be starting off with the Mars primer. It's the Glow O'Clock primer. We use only one pump of it. This much of product is enough. I use it on the areas where I sweat the most, that is in my nose area, on my forehead, and especially around my mouth. So this is a very sticky kind of a primer and I really suggest this. This costs around 230 rupees and I will be providing the link for every single product that you will be seeing in this video on the description box so that you can check them out. So priming is done and the next product that I'll be showing you guys is the NYB concealer and it's in the shade Caramel Pretzel. So this concealer is absolutely my skin tone match. I thought it to be a bit lighter, but when I received this primer it was my skin tone match and I really like this product because it does a wonderful job. It's absolutely a everyday wear concealer. I'll be using this under my eyes. It's not full coverage, but it does a quite good job. I have no complaints. You can wear this as a everyday concealer. You can use this to hide your blemishes. The next thing that will be requiring to blend this all out is a beauty blender, and this is the Mars Beauty Blender. I personally love this beauty blender. It has that microfiber kind of thing going on. It's also very cheap. We'll use this to blend our under eye. Okay, so the blending is done. As you can see, this blender did a very good job. It doesn't even soak off the concealer or the product, and I really love using this blender. Moving on, we need something that will work as a foundation. So for that, I really love the Insight Ultra Skin Second Skin. It's a lightwear foundation. I absolutely love this product because it is actually a very lightweight formula and it gives a very particular shine and glow to your face, which I love about this product. It comes in this kind of a dropper system, so this doesn't work that well. So what I do is we dip this and we use it in the areas where we didn't use any concealer. Sometimes the dropper does work. Don't forget your neck. Now I'll be using my Mars Beauty Blender to blend this all out. As you can see, it blends so smoothly and so seamlessly. I feel when you're doing your makeup, blending is the key. It's all on your blending game, on how well you can blend your products. So this product comes in 3 to 4 shades. I don't really remember what my shade number is, but I will be mentioning it on the screen. And this is how my shade looks. I am of medium skin tone with yellow undertones, so I think mine is shade number 3, but I will be mentioning it on the screen. So next we move on to contouring, and for that I really love the Insight 2x Cover Master Concealer, and this is in the shade Rich Tan. I really like this shade because this shade absolutely complements my skin tone. It gives me that warm contoured look and it's not too harsh on my skin tone. So I really love using it whenever I want to have a very warm contour. So I'll be applying this slightly here, a lot on this side. So for setting my face, I will be using the Swiss Beauty Prime and Set setting powder. It's primer and mattifying setting powder. I don't really like using setting powder in a everyday basis. This is just a suggestion for you guys, that if you guys are looking for some affordable setting powder, then I must say this is the right option. Moving on, we need to do the bronzing and blush part. So for that, I have the SFR color contour palette. It has two blush shades and a bronzer shade and a very whitish kind of a highlighter. I don't really like the highlighter because I think it's very light, but I really like the rest three of these. The bronzer does a dreamlike job. It just glides into your skin. So I'll be using the bronzer. And sorry guys, there's a lot of construction going on right beside my house, and sorry for this sound. So that's it for the bronzer, and I really like the result. So yep. So moving on to the blush, I will be using this same SFR palette, and I do like to mix both of these colors as my blush. So I'll be taking my blush brush. This is from Real Technique, and I will be using these two colors and apply it on my cheekbone. Okay, so now it's time for some eyeshadow, and for that I have two very affordable and good option for you guys. It's the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and the other one is the Mars Pores Eyeshadow Palette, and these both contain 9 shades in them. This is how it looks. I really like using this. I don't really like a very pop of colors on my eyes. I'll be going with this palette. So first I will be using this brown shade as my transition shade and also as my base. It's done, and now I will be going with this light shade. It's a very skin color kind of a shade, and I will use this especially on the inner corner. This is the most simple method of doing a cut crease. It is not that very prominent as a cut crease, but still it gives a very cut crease kind of vibe. I will be using this shimmer shade in the middle, a pretty shimmer shade as you guys can see. So I'll be using this shimmer in the inner corners. The previous brush, and we'll just try to blend everything out. So now we move on to eyeliner, and for that I have the Suake Big Eye eyeliner. It is a very pointed and prominent kind of a tip. So the liner is done, and I really like the look. And now we'll do mascara, and for that I will be using my Gub USA lash curler. You need to be very careful while using this. Now for mascara, I have the Glam 21 mascara. It's a very affordable mascara, though I bought it from a local store nearby, but this is also available on Amazon. I really like the wand of this mascara. So now we move on to highlighter, and for highlighter I have the Mars highlighter. You can see this is a very beautiful golden shade. Here's the swatch for it. Now I personally love this highlighter. This is such a great highlighter because it looks so real on your skin. Like you can't even tell that you've worn highlighter because it looks so smooth and blended. So I'll apply it on the highest points of my face. And now the last thing we are left with is lips. So for lip liner, I have the NY Bay lip liner. This is in the shade Sepia Brown, Madison Square 12. Like, the NY Bay liner comes in a numerous amount of shades, and I really like this shade because it matches my natural lip color. So yeah. Now for lipstick, I have this NY Bay lipstick. It's in the shade Peppy Pearson. This is how the shade looks. It's a very warm brown nude color. This shade suits every single Indian skin tone, whether you are fair, whether you are dusky, it doesn't matter, because this shade literally looks good on every single person. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you really like these products, because from my side I totally recommend these products. You should buy these, like if you're a beginner or if you don't want to invest a lot on your makeup. So obviously you can just close your eyes and trust these products, because these are absolutely bomb products. I will be mentioning the links for each of the products on the description box. Go check them out and let me know if you like them or not, and please comment down below on what kind of videos you want to see more, and see you soon in my next video.